We are Jen's Recipes, representing Putteridge High School in the Young Green Briton Challenge. Julia, Emma,
Neve, Sophia.
come see your idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we gather to address a pressing issue that affects our environment, economy and the well-being of our communities: food waste. Every year, millions of tonnes of food are discarded, yet millions of people go hungry. This paradox demands our urgent attention and action. First, let's start at home. We can make a significant impact by planning our meals, buying only what we need and storing food properly. Understanding expiration dates and creatively using leftovers can prevent unnecessary waste. This is the main idea for Jen's Recipes. Together we can turn the tide on food waste. Thank you.
Our solution is to create a website containing recipes for meals using parts of food you wouldn't usually use, such as the end of a cauliflower to make pasta, to help reduce the amount of food wasted in a week. We plan on promoting in schools, workshops, and with your help and support, we hope to be able to develop our website further.
So far, during our Jen's Recipe journey, we were able to arrange a dinner party at our school. We invited 24 teachers and prepared them a 3-course meal using products that were about to go out of date and are normally left over at the end of the week. The meal was a huge success and proved that there was an effective way to tackle food waste. We faced many challenges, such as developing our own recipes and testing them to make sure that they are successful, and especially tackling time management to prepare the meals.
So actually, why is Jen's Recipes well placed?
Well, let's look further into that. 1, we're simply the best. 2, we work collaboratively with each other. 3, we have demonstrated that our idea works by creating a delicious 3-course meal for our teachers and hopefully for a wider community such as primary schools.
So, what are Jen's Recipes' next steps?
As a team, we have decided that £1,000 would be more than enough for our idea. We would use this to create our website, create and test new recipes and work with primary schools. If we don't use all of this money and the food we make, we will donate this to a local food bank and our wider community.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation.
We hope you enjoy our idea and support us in further development.